Hello friends. I am Himadri. I have more than 12 years of experience in software development and testing. I have worked in different startup and MNC companies throughout my career. I love to share my knowledge with others and contribute to open source project. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. In this video, we will learn how to create a virtual device in Android using AVD Manager. To create a virtual device in Android using AVD, you need Android Studio installed in your system. First, you have to open the Android Studio and select Configure. After that, you need to select AVD Manager. Select Create Virtual Device option. In the left panel you will find multiple category like TV, phone, tablet, etc. Choose the category as per your need. I have chosen Pixel 3a. Choose API version to download. API version will help you to determine OS version. Now wait for download to be finished. Once it is downloaded, click on Finish. Now click on Next, and it will take you to the next screen. You can your virtual device name. You can choose whether you want open the device in portrait mode or landscape mode. By default it is portrait. I have not changed the default settings. You can also choose advanced settings to check other options as well. Now click on the play button to open the virtual device. Click on Power button to turn on the device. Once it is booted up, your device is ready to use. If you edit the virtual device settings, you can see multiple options like this. If you want, you can edit the settings and launch the device in landscape mode. It will open your device in landscape every time. Please watch the steps I am taking here to launch the device in landscape. With this, we have completed our today's session. I will see you in the next video. I hope you are enjoying our videos. Don't forget to share your success stories with us. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.